Hi, I'm Rob King. This is the Homebrew Master Plan Outtakes edition. If you haven't checked it out already, the link above will take you to the step-by-step guide to brew your own juicy, hazy New England IPA in just 14 days from grain to glass, thanks to the terrific Kvike Voss yeast. I thought I was in trouble with this brew after my previous mash and boil kettle bit the bullet and went to the great brew kettle in the sky. But after some investigation and a conveniently timed online sale, I splashed the cash on the Kegland Digiboil and Digimash. Settings were a bit off and we'll have a look at some of that in the retrospective. For now though, it's time to relive the bits that ended up on the cutting room floor for your disbelief, amusement and general head slapping opportunities. Please feel free to share your comments and like and subscribe. Cheers everyone, happy homebrewing! This recipe was originally set up for the Aldi Mulled wine warmer, so I've had to scale it to work with this. This recipe, initial 500ml taken out, the reading is still 41 degrees centigrade, but what I've just taken out was 29.9. That's spot on for pitching. We're down to room temperature. This is the pre-boil gravity. I have one more thing I'm going to do, and that is to give the keg a little bit of a head start, and that is to try and give it some forced carbonation. To do that we need to rock the keg. Now we need to be careful actually to do exactly what I almost just did. We don't want liquid going into the regulator there, so checking. Maybe carbonation is fine after all. Fuck off, printer. In the keg to get going. Siri, shut up. Oh no, it was 8. You can check out the other videos in the Homebrew Master Plan. 16 homebrews aligned to 16 special events throughout the year, each with their own how-to guide, the outtakes and a retrospective that looks back at the vital statistics, the price per pint and of course some lessons learned.